Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how we can see sound waves. So sound waves are in the air all around us. Sound waves are what reach our ears that allow us to hear sounds. But right now in the air around you, you can't see sound waves, okay? So I'm going to show you this, and it's going to give us a little information on how sound waves work. So in my hand, I have what we call a tuning fork, okay? When I whack this tuning fork, it vibrates and it actually creates a really high-pitched but soft sound. I don't think you're going to be able to hear it on the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whack the tuning fork and then I'm going to touch the water with it, and we're going to see how the sound waves are shown in the water. Okay? Okay, we're going to try that again. Hopefully we're going to be able to see what's happening in the water there. Okay, because it's actually really cool, but I'm hoping we can see it from the video. All right, let's try it one more time. Okay, so that water is doing something when the vibrations from the tuning fork touch it. Okay, so that's what I want you to think about. What is happening to the water? We'll do it one more time. Okay,